Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the some basic concept of chemistry, that is called as we started here the point number 7, that is called as hydrohalogenation and 8 dehydrohalogenations. So we started point number 7. What is hydrohalogenations? And point number 8, dehydrohalogenations. So start here the what is the hydrohalogenations. So this process is defined as the any chemical reactions in which loss of hydrogen as well as halogen called as what here? The question is what here? What is the hydrohalogenation? So this process defined as the chemical reaction in which the addition of halogen as well as hydrogen, or addition of hydro means hydrogen, halo means halogens. The process in which the addition of hydrogen as well as halogen called as the hydrohalogenations. For example, when alkene means CH2 double bond, CH2 any compound which contain double bond, this double bond is called as alkene. So when the alkene is react with HCl, here H called as a hydrogen and this Cl is called as a halogen. You know X is a halogen which has the 4 types F, Cl, Bri. So when a halogen, it means hydrogen, the chemical reaction with the addition of hydrogen as well as halogen means HCl is an example of hydrohalogenation. So the chemical reaction in which the addition of hydrogen as well as halogen, this chemical reaction is called as hydrohalogenation. So in this reaction, hydrogen is react to CH2 to form this CH2 and this 1H, what we get here? This 2H plus 1H, what we get here? CH3 single bond, this CH2 as it is, this CH2 attached to this Cl. So what we get? We get CH2Cl. So in this way it is called as the alkyl, what here? Alkyl chloride. The CH3 C2H5 is also called as what here? Ethyl chloride, because C2H5 is the name called ethyl and the Cl called as what here? Chloride, ethyl chloride. So in this way we prepared what here? From the alkene we prepared ethyl chloride by process of hydrohalogenations. Clear? X called as halogen, this X has the 4 types F, Cl, Bri. Yesterday we finish here. So the process in which the addition of hydrogen as well as halogen, it is called as the hydrohalogenations. Now question number next 8, what is dehydrohalogenation? So the process in which a remove of hydrogen as well as halogen called as a dehydrohalogenations. For example, the example is reverse. In this reaction, we take the example here what? So when this CH3 single bond CH2 single bond Cl, in this reaction losses of this Cl and this 1H, what we get? We get CH2 double bond CH2 plus loss of HCl. So the reaction in which the loss of hydrogen as well as halogen means Cl, it is called as what here? Dehydrohalogenation. The process in which the loss of hydrogen as well as halogen called as the dehydrohalogenation. It means the dehydrohalogenation is a opposite to hydrohalogenation. With एग्जाम्पल, देखो एग्जाम्पल बेटा, ये रिएक्टेंट ये प्रोडक्ट है, अब ये रिवर्स हो गया, ये क्या हो गया? रिएक्टेंट, ये क्या हो गया? प्रोडक्ट. इट मीन्स द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाइड्रोहैलोजिनेशन इज अपोजिट टू dehydrohalogenations. Clear beta? This process first hydrohalogenation, second dehydrohalogenation. Now point number 9, we take the point number 9 here, that is called as what? Point number 9 what here? Hydrolysis. What here? Hydrolysis. You know hydrolysis is a process in which the breaking of water molecule and take part a water molecule in any chemical reaction called as a hydrolysis. Clear? The process in which breaking of water molecule and take part in the chemical reaction of a water molecule called as a hydrolysis. For example, you know what is a formula of water? You know, so the formula of water H2O, this H2O is also right in the form of H single bond OH, both are same. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. How many H2H? How many oxygen? 1 oxygen. So it is a formula of water. So what is the process of hydrolysis? The process in which the breaking of water molecule, you know, the water molecule break in this way. So this bond is break. So H have a charge positive and OH have a charge negative. So this bond break in which way? So in this way. Why in this way? Because the bond break into two types, homolytic fission, heterolytic fission. Fission means breaking. Clear beta? Okay. So what is the process of hydrolysis? The process means what here? The breaking of water molecule. What we get? We get H positive and plus OH negative. Why the OH negative is there? Because oxygen is electronegative atom. So this electronegative atom is to have, you know, what is electronegative atom? So the electronegative atom is defined as the tendency of atom to attract the electron pair toward itself. This bond formed by how many electron? 2 electron. Each bond formed by how many electron? 2 electron. ठीक है ना बेटा? तो यहाँ से बेटा ये जो एटम है ऑक्सीजन वो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होता है, ठीक है। तो ये इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर लेगा। अट्रैक्ट करने के बाद ये जो H है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन O को देगा, तो H पे चार्ज यानी आपको पता है इफ द एनी एटम लॉस अ इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज विल बी पॉजिटिव, और इफ एनी एटम विल बी अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड इटसेल्फ चार्ज विल बी व्हाट हियर नेगेटिव. So that's why what is hydrolysis? The process in which the breaking of water molecule H and OH and take in the chemical reaction or take part in the chemical reaction called as a hydrolysis. And this HOH are take part in the many chemical reaction. For example, when alkene means CH2 double bond CH2 is react with a water molecule. So this H plus OH. So this H is attached to this carbon and this OH attached to this carbon. So what we get? We get CH3 single bond CH2OH. You know this how many H? 2H. This one H. What do we get here? CH3 CH2. In this way, the breaking of water molecule and take part in the any chemical reactions called as a hydrolysis. Clear beta? So you know the bond break into two way. The bond break into two way. First called as the homolytic fission and second is called as what here? Heterolytic fission. So we take the point number 10, homolytic fission. Fission means breaking, and 11 is called as what here? Heterolytic fission. Okay, what is homolytic fission? So it is depend upon the breaking of bond. How the bond is break, you know how the bond is formed depend upon types of bond. What is the bond? आपको पढ़ा है मैंने. Different types of bond. What here? Metallic bond, covalent bond, ionic bond. Clear? ये हमारा हो चुका है. How the bond is break? So bond are break into two way. One is called what here? Homolytic fission, and second is called what here? Heterolytic fission. Now we discuss the first. What is the homolytic fission? What here beta? So homolytic fission is defined as the breaking of bond take place in which when the bond is break it give a two similar charge. It means you know, for example, H single bond H, it's also right in the form of H2. H2 means hydrogen gas. So each these two atoms have the bond. So this bond has break into which way? Into this way. And what we get, you know how the bond is formed? The bond formed by the two atom are give a 2 electron. It means one bond formed by 2 electron, one electron from this H and second electron from this H. So this bond is break. What we get? We get H dot plus H dot. Dot called is what here? Electron. Or any atom which has the dot, this dot is called electron, or it is also called as the free radical. What here beta? It is also called as the free radical. Free means alag. Radical called as a dot. It means when the bond breaking with the help of what here? Homolytic fission, it give a free radical. It is called as a homolytic fission. यानी जब हम बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेंगे रिएक्शन में बेटा, तो डिपेंड क्या पे करेगा वो? डिपेंड अपॉन द टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्ड. अगर बॉन्ड कोवैलेंट है तो हमको सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. व्हाट हियर? फ्री रेडिकल मिलेगा. इट मीन्स when the breaking of bond take place, especially covalent bond take place, form the what here? Free radical called as a homolytic fission. So what is homolytic fission? The homolytic fission defined as the breaking of bond take place in this way, that is to formation of similar what here? Electron on the atom, called as what here? Free radical. It is called as a free radical. Second example, HOH means what here? H2O. H2O contains what here? Bond. See, bond are take place in this way, that is the one atom is electronegative, second atom electropositive. It is called as heterolytic fission. So to form the H plus OH minus ion. It means what is heterolytic fission? So the heterolytic fission is defined as breaking of bond take place in this way, that is to form the charge plus and minus. It is called as what here? So this breaking called as what here? Heterolytic fission. So in a simple language, in the homolytic fission, it form the free radical. It means this bond break in equally. Homo means equally and hetero means different. यानी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन से बॉन्ड प्रिपेयर हुआ था टू एटम से, वो एटम अपने में इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे तो फ्री रेडिकल बन जाएगा. ठीक है. और अगर इसमें जो इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब जो बॉन्ड बना था दो एटम में, वो एक एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन पूरे ले लेगा, और यानी कौन ले रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे प्लस ओ ऑक्सीजन ले रहा है, तो चार्ज नेगेटिव आ जाएगा, और H इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा, चार्ज देगा पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स इन स्पेशली इन अ होमोलिटिक फिजन it form the free radical which have the two dot, whereas in the heterolytic fission it form the what here? Charge plus and minus. Plus called electron donating atom, and minus called electron accepting atom. It means electron deficient H or OH electron rich. So it is called as what here? Homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. अब डिफाइन क्या लिखना पड़ेगा आपको पहला बेटा? What is the hydrohalogenation? The process in which the addition of हाइड्रोजन एज वेल एज हेलोजन कॉल्ड एज द हाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन. एग्जाम्पल ये लिखना है आपको. सेकंड, व्हाट इज डिहाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन? सो इट इज डिफाइंड द प्रोसेस इन विच द रिमूव ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड हेलोजन कॉल्ड एज द डिहाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन. नंबर 9, व्हाट इज हाइड्रोलिसिस? It is defined as the process in which the breaking of water molecule and take part in the chemical reactions called as the hydrolysis. व्हाट एग्जाम्पल ईयर? ये एग्जाम्पल लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. ये एग्जाम्पल पहले और बाद में ये एग्जाम्पल, दोनों एग्जाम्पल लिखना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज होमोलिटिक फिजन? इट इज डिफाइंड एज द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड टेक प्लेस इन दिस वे, दैट इज टू फॉर्म द फ्री रेडिकल कॉल्ड एज द होमोलिटिक फिजन. सेकंड, व्हाट एग्जाम्पल? दिस एग्जाम्पल. सेकंड, what is the heterolytic fission? It is defined as the breaking of bond take place in this way, that is to form the charge negative and positive called as a heterolytic fissions. Example this. Okay, so in this way we take the basics. What here? For 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 point. Clear बेटा? इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ व्हाट हियर? केमिकल रिएक्शंस. ओके, इजी है. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं आप, और इसकी नोट्स आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है विथ एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने आपको बताया लेक्चर में. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.